Welcome to Qnibot.com. In this video, we will instruct you to use our LiveCheckBot to check Bang Instagram, Reddit, TikTok, Quora, X accounts automatically without logging. To buy LiveCheckBot, you visit Qnibot.com, then click on Software, select Other Tools, then click on LiveCheckBot. Then you select the package you want to buy. For example, I select 1 year. Next, you click Add to Cart. After that, you click on your card. Click Checkout to buy this software, or click Deposit to top up your account. I click Checkout here. After making payment, you click on this icon next to the username, select license key. You will see your license management table. This is the provided license key. We will instruct you to use this key later. Now you need to click on download button here to download the software. This is the downloaded file of software. You right click on this file and select extract here. Then you will see a folder called LiveCheckBot. Open this folder. Then you double click on this application file to install the software. Then this is the interface of LiveCheckBot. First, with license key session, you need to back to your Qnibot account. You click on copy button here to copy the provided key, then paste it into license key session. Next, at run session, you enter the number of accounts you want our bot to check. For instance, you enter 1000 here. The bot will automatically stop after checking 1000 accounts successfully. Next, at track section, you enter the number of accounts you want the bot to check at the same time. For example, you enter 3 here. The bot will check 3 accounts simultaneously. The number of tracks you can run depends on your computer configuration. The stronger your computer is, the more tracks you can run. Next, at Proxy session, if you want to use Proxy, you select Yes at this session. Then at Proxy list session, you select Lines from File. Next, you create a new text file to save Proxy. The proxy format here is IP:port or IP:port, proxy username, proxy password. For example, these are the proxy you want to use. Then you click to save. Then at proxy list session, you click on this icon. Select the created text file proxy. In case you don't want to use proxy, you can select No at this session, Use proxies. The bot will use the IP connected to your PC. You can visit proxy.com to run the best proxy to run this bot. Account session save the accounts you want to check. Then you need to select the corresponding network at network session. This bot allows you to check 5 types of accounts, including Instagram, Reddit, TikTok, Twitter, and Quora. For example, I select TikTok at network session here. Then I need to import TikTok account to account session here. To import TikTok account, click on Data button here. Then the Database Manager dialog box will appear. You can import accounts in 2 ways. The first way is you do it manually. This is suitable for you when you want to import several accounts only. Click on this icon, then select Add Group. Then you enter the group name here. For example, I enter TikTok. Next, you click OK. Then you click on the created group. Click on this icon. Click on Add Item. Then you enter the username of account you want to check into this session. Next, you click OK. Then you can see the username had been imported into account column here. In case you want to import the password too, you enter the username. Then use a vertical bar, then the password. Next, you click OK. Then you can see the username and password had been imported into account column 2. You can enter the username only, the bot can check the account. Then you close the dialog box. At account session, you select the group you want to run. The second way for you to import accounts, in case you want to import many accounts, is you create a new text file to save the usernames of accounts. For example, these are the username of accounts that I want to check. Each username is on one line. In case you want to enter the password too, you can import a vertical bar after the username, then enter the password. In this video, I enter the username only. Then click to save this file. On this dialog box, you select Convert, select Import CSV, then click icon, select the Create Text File of username. Then you can see the username and accounts had been imported here. The default name of the imported group is CSV. You can click on this icon to change the group name. Then click OK. Then at account session, you select the group you want to run. Similarly, you can import Reddit with their Quora accounts. With Instagram, you need to import the main accounts too. We will instruct you later. Now we will run with TikTok accounts. Click OK to run. After running, you can click on this icon here to see the status and check they had been updated automatically in these two columns. Now I will instruct you to check both Instagram accounts. First, you need to select Instagram at network session. Next, you import the Instagram accounts you want to check into account session here. I will import with the second way, that I will create a new text file to save the Instagram account's username I want to check. For example, these are the usernames of accounts I want to check. Each username is on one line. Then click to save this file. Then click on Data button here. Click on Convert, select Import CSV. Click on this icon, select the created text file of Instagram username. Click Open here, then click OK. Then you can change the name here to IG2, for example, means Instagram accounts too. Then click OK, close the dialog box. Then you select the group of Instagram you want to check at the account session. Next, main Instagram session. The bot needs to log in a main Instagram account to check other imported accounts. Therefore, you need to enter the username of an Instagram account into this session to launching this account manually later. For example, this is the username of main Instagram account I want to use. Next, at data folder session, you create a new folder named data. Then copy and paste the path of created folder into data folder session. After you launching the main Instagram account manually successfully, the bot will save the cookies of main Instagram account into this data folder. Therefore, it can load the cookies to use this main Instagram account without launching. Then you click OK. You wait to see this icon, then click on Show Browser. Next, you click on Launching to launching main Instagram accounts manually. Enter the username, then the password. Click Launching. Saying for here, then wait for 3 to 5 seconds. Then you click on Return Control to Application or close this browser. Then the bot will continue to check accounts. After running the bot, similarly, you can click on Data button here, then click on the group you selected to run. Then you can see the result status of accounts and check they had been updated automatically in these two columns. Alright, this demonstrated steps or instructions on how to use our LiveCheckBot to check bank Instagram, Reddit, TikTok, Quora, or X accounts automatically without launching. You can visit Qnibot.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.